You know, it's hard to see this without a good background, but this little forest I've been working on is short. And it's got all these long stretches where I wanted the trees to get healthy, so I just let it run. This one is a really great example of it. But I no longer need this. I mean, that's hideous. Look how cool that looks. You know? So, I think today some of this kind of stuff is going to go. I might only trim to this branch today, and maybe next year down lower. But I might just take this whole one off because it's really stupid. Some of these other ones back in here, you can see have the same thing going on. You have all this cool barking and all this new growth. It's super straight. So we're gonna work on this little check back. Okay, so I cut a bunch of it down. You can see I chopped that pretty hard. I might still chop to there. I chopped this tree down to where I had growth. This one in the back here. This little guy right there. Chopped that one in half. Chopped another one here. Chopped this big branch off that was coming out here, and now that the forest is looking not so forest-like. I should have put a white background behind this. But now I'm contemplating whether or not this tree and this tree need to get shortened. They have such nice ramification up here, but there's this that I hate. For the betterment of the tree, I'm gonna start over. I'm gonna start here. Oh, that's a big one. And that's most of the foliage off the tree. It would be 100% starting over on this. Take a couple years to recover. I think it's gonna have to do it. I'm going to do it now so it knows where to set buds for next year. That one also. And that one might not be as drastic because I cut it up on these rocks. It's kind of like a mountain sloping this way. This one could use a height cut. This one's going down lower, then this one could stay there. Look at these cuttings I'm going to have though. The size of those. Alright. I think I'm going to cut this thing down pretty dramatically. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Half of the tree. Makes me sad. But now, hopefully the branching will come in here and hide all of this. I'll put some cut paste on that. This one has got an excessively long branch here, right in the front. That's not too bad, actually. Getting some branching off of it. This weird branch. Trim this one back. That's what I'm going to do. This one will, I know it will, kick some branches. Move this little guy to run. Just don't need to be any taller, that's for sure. I don't think it needs to be that tall. Okay, here's what it looks like after all the pruning. I just re-pruned it again. I took all this off of it. It's the last pruning for the year. Give you a close-up.